everyone, Atma Namaste, welcome to Sukham Healers World. This is a general reading for Scorpions for the month of May 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of May, and before starting, I would like to say thank you to all the subscribers for their love and support that they have given me. And if they're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Yeah, so let's begin with May 2021 reading for Scorpions. Scorpions, the energy of the month that has come out for you is the Temperance card, but it is in reverse, Temperance reverse. So this card particularly shows me that you are having difficulty in balancing things. You're having difficulty in managing things. Your intuition is saying something, but something else is happening in your life, and it could be difficulty balancing your personal professional life. It could be difficulty balancing your emotions. Sometimes you feel very positive, sometimes you feel very negative, and you want to believe in your intuitions, but sometimes whatever your heart is saying is not right. And this is what this card means, that believe in what your mind is saying, not your heart. Towards the first week, cards are 5 of wands, 10 of swords, and magician card. So I see you here going through a lot of conflict. It could be conflict with other people, it could be some inner conflict, and I don't know, I feel that it is an inner conflict because this is the energy of the month. This can be the inner conflict. You are trying to sometimes be happy, be strong, but things are happening in a way that you're not able to do that. You're just fighting with your own self, your own emotions, and it is getting difficult day by day, and it is very painful. Maybe this is the case that maybe for some of you, you're not physically well, and maybe for some of you it is all emotional. You just lie down on the bed, you don't feel like getting up, you feel so lethargic, your body, mind, everything feels so weak, because you believe that you have tried a lot, you have done your 100%, you have given the best you could, but you are not getting the result. I don't know, Scorpions, I am getting, when I started shuffling your cards, I started getting this little bit of headache. I'm getting a little bit of pressure on my Ajna chakra. Here also, here again, a little bit of pain. So I feel maybe you people are thinking a lot. You are going through some kind of, emotional pain. And I don't know, while talking to you people, and because of the pain, whatever I'm having here, my eyes are, they are getting filled with water. So maybe you people are crying also. But please, let this time pass. Whatever is happening is for your best. So just, wait for the right time. The next 3 cards are Empress, 7 of Wands, and Page of Cups. So I believe that you will, by second week, you will feel much better. You will feel happy with your own company. You will feel empowered, because whatever struggles that you have had, whatever conflicts that you were going through, and whatever, fights or hurdles were there in your path, you will overcome that thing, and you will be a victorious person. You will be a more mature person. I think initially you were thinking immaturely, you were taking some immature decisions, but by this time, by the second week, you will feel little better. Your perception towards certain things are going to be different, which is going to be more mature, more practical, and it is going to be very helpful. The third week cards are Queen of Cups, the Tower reversed, and 3 of Cups reversed. Again, I see here that you being content, you've made peace with whatever has happened. You are okay. There was, I won't say you have come out of that transition. There was some kind of a painful transition going in your life that has not finished yet. It could be related. It could be related to some kind of a celebration which was supposed to happen. It could be collaboration. It could be some celebration in the family. It could be some new project you were supposed to start. It could be a team thing. So whatever it was, it either got delayed or cancelled. So, and I see here it is getting delayed. I don't see here getting cancelled, because I don't see you coming out of it right now. Fourth week cards are the Hermit reversed, Queen of Pentacles reversed, and Wheel of Fortune. I see that after, you are a very wise person, but I don't know, I see here you talking about certain things, or again, not, it can be little upfront, to people. Just don't react on the basis of what other people told you, or you heard something or something like that. Just, you should have some solid proof before reacting, because that is going to make you feel bad, ultimately. But trust me, this last card is going to change your fate. If you're going through a lot of pain in your life and problems, so I think by the end of this month, you will start feeling better. You might feel that now the universe is working and in your favor, and basically giving you strength, and something miraculous might happen. But I think in the next month, by the end of this month. So yeah, that's about it. Still, if you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment box. And if you resonate with this reading, you can write me. For the regular personalized and daily readings, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. So